see, my study number is 183.1075. So everyone, talking about Indonesia always make us interested, right? Because as we know that Indonesia many culture and tradition. From Sabang until Merauke, Indonesia have a lot of culture. So everyone, in this video, I will tell you about the one of the culture of Indonesia. It is Javanese culture. Talking about Javanese, I know maybe all of you familiar with this culture because in Indonesia there are a lot of people of Javanese. Javanese culture is a culture from Java, followed by Society Java, specifically in Yogyakarta, Central Java, and East Java. Javanese culture can be broadly divided into three, namely Banyuman culture, Central Java or DIY culture, and the last is East Java culture. Everyone, are you ever listen that the people Javanese is a friendly and also polite? I guess all of you ever listen, right? Javanese famous that they are friendly and also polite because Javanese culture priorities balance, harmony in daily life, and Javanese culture uphold modesty, simplicity. And Javanese culture is one of the most popular culture in the foreign. Some Javanese culture that are in demand abroad are wayang kulit, keris, batik, kebaya, and also gamelan. And Javanese culture respect all religion and plurality, so that it is considered sincerity by certain culture which only recognize one particular religion and sectarian. Some example of traditional Javanese art is Gambyong dance. Javanese art consists of three groups, namely Banyumasan have ebek, Central Java or DIY have ketoprak and serimpi, and the last East Java have ludruk and reok. The language of Javanese, there are two kinds. The first kind is a Krama Javanese language, and the second is Ngoko Javanese language. For the example of Krama Javanese language is Ajeng teng pundi panjenengan. Ajeng teng pundi panjenengan. It means mau kemana kamu. And next is Monggo pinara. It means like silahkan mampir. And for the example of Ngoko language is like aku uwes madang. Aku uwes madang. It means like aku sudah makan. People Javanese have a very strong principle of life. There are the first is urip iku amung mampir ngombe. It means like hidup itu ibarat hanya mampir minum. It means in this life we must do of good for the sake of a comfortable life and also to hold on to the afterlife. And the second is sopo nandur bakalan ngunduh. It means like siapa menanam pasti akan panen dari apa yang ditanam. It means if we do the bad things, it will become the bad things, but if we do the good things, it will become a good things. And the last is ojo rumangso biso, tapi biso rumangso. Jangan meremehkan tapi merendahlah. It means like a warning to the arrogant is not a good thing, because above the sky there is still sky. Javanese have much tradition kejawen. There are mantu or wedding, tinda sintan or piton. It means 7 monthly baby. Selamatan, it means like a send prayer. Brokohan, it means like syukuran for the field. Uye is syukuran for the birth of the calf or cow. And tingkepan is 7 monthly pregnancy. And the last is telon is 3 monthly pregnancy and 3 monthly baby. Japanese culture have the culture that becomes the national event that make foreign interested. There are Gabuksuro in Ponorogo, Tumpeng Pura in Central Java, and the people of Javanese is very believe with karma. If they don't do the rule, one of the example of the prohibition in Javanese culture is Lusan Besan. Lusan Besan. Lusan Besan is term related to marriage. If family is going to be a son-in-law, it's or marrying of their child a third time, it is allowed to meet the child whose family is still new the daughter-in-law. Their belief this can bring bala or disaster for the family.